going to start until you all wake up. So if you don't have a drink, I'm not going to yell at you yet. I'm not yelling at you. How you guys doing?
Yeah.
I don't know if anybody in the bar can hear me, but do you mind if we guys get started? Like, we're going to play some music, some of our stuff, some of our favorite stuff. We're just going to play a full 3 hours of rock and roll, and I feel like you guys came for that, so we're just going to go to it. We're going to start with something we like. You guys ready? Yeah.